Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva to make amazing YouTube thumbnails. First, head over to Canva and select the YouTube thumbnail template. This ensures your design starts with the correct dimensions of 1280 pixels wide by 720 pixels high. You can either pick from thousands of fantastic pre-made templates to get a head start, or if you're feeling creative, begin with a completely blank canvas. It's super easy to get going and set up for success right from the start. Now for the fun part, adding your design elements. Canva offers a huge library of photos, graphics, and icons you can use, or you can easily upload your very own images. To make your text pop, experiment with different fonts, colors, and cool effects. Don't forget to add shapes, icons, and stickers to really enhance the visual appeal and clearly convey your video's message. These elements are key to making your thumbnail engaging and eye-catching for viewers. To make your thumbnails truly effective, focus on branding and readability. Always incorporate your channel's unique branding elements, like your logo and consistent color schemes, to build recognition. For text, use high-contrast colors against your background to ensure it's super easy to read, even on smaller screens. Remember to keep your text concise and large enough so viewers can quickly grasp your video's topic. A clear, branded thumbnail makes a big difference. Finally, it's time to export and upload your masterpiece. Once your thumbnail is perfect, download it in a high-quality format such as PNG or JPG. Make sure the file size stays under 2 megabytes for optimal performance on YouTube. Then, simply head over to your YouTube Creator Studio, select your video, and upload your custom thumbnail. You've just created a professional, attention-grabbing thumbnail that will help your videos stand out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.